Rain and flooding continue across parts of northern Australia along the path of ex-tropical cyclone Lincoln. And the story isn't over yet, with re-intensification to tropical cyclone strength possible late this week. Ex-tropical cyclone Lincoln is currently located close to the Western Australia-Northern Territory border. It's dragging in moisture from the tropics, generating cloud, rain and thunderstorms. In the past 24 hours alone, we've seen rainfall totals in excess of 100 millimetres through parts of the central NT. And we're expecting more rainfall in the days ahead. Our current severe weather warning is centred around the ex-tropical cyclone. It covers La Germanu and extends west to Halls Creek. In the warning area, we could see heavy rainfall and flash flooding, with 6-hourly rainfall totals approaching 100 millimetres. And so much rainfall coming down in such a short space of time can cause your property damage and can quickly impact roads and access routes as well, making them muddy or impassable. We may also see strong winds in the vicinity of the ex-tropical cyclone, but the immediate risk of damaging winds has now eased. So how will the system track through the rest of today and over the coming days? Well, today we're expecting ex-tropical cyclone Lincoln to gradually cross the Western Australia border and move into the Kimberley. Through tomorrow and Wednesday, the ex-tropical cyclone will move west-northwest through the Kimberley, driving areas of heavy rainfall, stronger winds and flash flooding with it. It's likely to cross off the Kimberley coast late Wednesday going into Thursday. Now, the rainfall totals we're expecting across this period are going to be highest to the south of the ex-tropical cyclone, reaching 100 to 300 millimetres across parts of Western Northern Territory and the Kimberley. This amount of rainfall expected in the coming days has triggered flood watches across large parts of Northern Australia, in particular covering the Kimberley, the WA Northern Territory border area and large parts of the Central Northern Territory. River rises are expected, with catchments likely to be upgraded into flood warnings at times over the coming days. It's worth noting that the flood watch actually extends back to the east into northwest Queensland as well. Even though the ex-tropical cyclone has moved westwards now and that risk of heavy rainfall is easing, we still could see high flows from past rain events moving through these Queensland catchments, causing further flood warnings over the coming days. It's worth remembering that large parts of Western Queensland are still seeing moderate to major flooding at the moment. So where will the ex-tropical cyclone move once it crosses the Kimberley coast? Through Thursday and the end of the week, we're expecting to see the system moving down the Kimberley coast. As it moves over those warm waters, it's likely to increase its energy and its power, and there is actually a high chance it may strengthen back to tropical cyclone intensity at this point in the week. That means even heavier rainfall and stronger winds that may impact some coastal parts of Western Australia, depending on how far offshore this system is. Through Friday and going towards the weekend, the system is likely to start moving southwards towards the west coast once more. And it is possible through the weekend that we may see a second landfall of this system, possibly at cyclone strength. There are still a number of possibilities as to how strong this system will get and where exactly it will track, so it is really important to keep an eye on the Bureau's 7-day tropical cyclone forecasts. In fact, all of the latest forecasts and warnings can be found via the Bureau's website and the BOM weather app. Stay safe this week, keep on top of the updates, and we'll catch you next time.